Travel to India is both challenging and magical. With 1.2 billion inhabitants, it's a sensory experience like no other. A trip to India will only become truly enjoyable when you have the right set of expectations. That's why I made these 9 tips on how to prepare yourself for scams, avoid food problems, including how to be safe as a female traveler so you can survive and thrive in your first trip to India.
At LexGo, my goal is to make traveling simple for you. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing.
In the weeks before your arrival in India, make sure you have booked your public transport across cities. Trains and bus tickets sell out fast. If you miss them, your next option is to rent a private car, which is more costly, but definitely more comfortable. For many visitors, a one-week trip to India centers on what they call the Golden Triangle, composed of 3 major cities: Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. You will most likely arrive at the nation's capital, Delhi. This is where you'll prepare most of what you need for your trip. Get your rupee at the airport upon arrival. India's money is called rupee. There are ATMs in major cities, and international cards are accepted. $1 is about 73 rupees. One can get a decent meal with 200 rupees. Dining in a high-end restaurant could cost you at least 1,500 rupees per person. Data SIM is available at the airport, but prepare for tedious paperwork and literally hours before you can have it activated. In my experience, data on the streets are not very reliable. Uber is your best choice for transport in cities like Delhi and Jaipur. In Agra, however, a private car is your better alternative. You can hire an Uber car for the whole day, and that should get you around the city. If you choose to take the auto rickshaw to go around the city, be prepared for tricks and scams. Some of them will insist to bring you to certain stores, and when they do, they usually will not take a no for an answer. But you have to be very firm with your refusal. We've also experienced drivers charging us double the amount we agreed at the end of the trip. So it is best to record your agreement using your mobile phone as a sound recorder during negotiation of the price, right before you take your ride. If you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button. And now for tip number 6. India is a country of many languages, but knowing some basic Hindi phrases will definitely help break the ice. Avoid drinking tap water, even if it's filtered. Avoid ice and fresh juice sold on the streets. They may look tempting, but for many, it's not worth the risk. Being ready with your health insurance before you travel is always a wise choice. For female travelers, you can take advantage of women-only floors in some hotels. Trains and some buses also offer exclusive sections for women. Conservative dressing is recommended. Avoid returning curious gazes when on the streets, since it may be understood as a way of flirting back. Scams in India are notorious. They target tourists like us. As a general rule, when someone offers you that is not part of your plan or is not recommended by your hotel, just say no and be firm and decisive with your no. If you have questions, I'll be happy to help you at the comment section below. And for more smart travel features, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell notification.